morning, children. Yes, what is the date today, children? Today is 18-3-21. Today is Thursday. Yes. Today we are going to start the first bit. What is the first bit? Circle the proper fraction. Come on, write. Open fresh page and write the heading. Circle the proper fraction. Write this heading, everybody. Write this heading neatly on the margin. Write this heading neatly on the margin. And write these numbers 3 by 7, 5 by 2, 6 by 11. If you have a square rule book, leave one box and write the other. Leave one box and write the other one, children. Okay? Yes. Now, what are the proper fractions? What is the rule of proper fraction? The numerator must be small than the denominator. Proper fraction అంటే ఏంటి? ఎప్పుడు కూడా numerator చిన్న నంబర్ ఉండాలి. Denominator కంటే numerator చిన్నగా ఉండాలి. Yes. See here, denominator is 7, numerator is 3. Is it proper fraction? Yes. Circle this number. Here, numerator is 5, but the denominator is 2. It is not a proper fraction. It is improper. क्योंकि numerator बड़ा है, इसके लिए ये improper fraction है. यहाँ पर देखो 6 छोटा है, 11 बड़ा है. ये करेक्ट. Circle this. Here, 7 is bigger than 5, so it is also improper. Here 2 and 3, yes, it is also. Here 1 and 4. Come on, circle this first bit. After writing first bit, leave the line and write second bit. Leave one line and write second bit. Circle the improper fraction. Circle the improper fraction. Circle the improper fraction. And then divide. And then divide. And change to mixed fraction. And change to mixed fraction. Yes, this is the second bit heading, children. After you write first bit, leave one line and copy second bit heading. Copy second bit heading and copy these fractions. What are they asking you to do here? Circle the improper fraction. Improper fraction అంటే పైన పెద్ద నంబర్ ఉండాలి, కింద చిన్న నంబర్ ఉండాలి. Okay, what is an improper fraction? Improper fraction means the top number should be greater than the denominator. Okay? See here, 8 is small, it is not improper. It is improper or proper? Improper. This is also improper. This is also improper. This is also improper. Yes. circled all the improper fractions. See here, circle the improper fraction. We have circled the improper fractions here. Yes, we have circled the improper fractions here. Now they are asking you to change them to mixed fraction. Yes, children, everybody concentrate and listen here. How to change this improper to mixed fraction? How to change improper to mixed fraction? See, 3 by 2 is an improper fraction. What should you do? You have to divide. 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Now how you are going to write this? 1 by 2. Yes, write like this. Then 8 by 3. 8 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7, 8. Now how you are going to write this? That is equal to 2 by 3. 11 by 5. 11 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 1. That is nothing but 1 by 5. Here. 26 by 2. 6. 6, 26. 6 5 are 30. 6 4 are 24. 2. So how you are going to write this? 4 2 by 6. Come on, write this. Third bit, children, now. Yes, children, look at the third bit. They are asking you to write whether true or false. Check whether true or false. Check whether true or false. Yes, see, first one, what is the first one? 13 by 5 is equal to 2 3 by 5. Yes, children, is it true or false? They are asking you to write. Yes, listen very carefully, children. How to check? First, you have to multiply these two numbers. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 5. It is true. Write true. Now, second one. First, you have to multiply denominator with the whole number. Then, after add. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 5. ये 5 फिर ऐसे ही लिख देना. ये correct करा. Correct answer. Now, you see. 31 by 10 is equal to 3 2 by 10. 10 3 जा 30. 30 plus 2 32. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या है? 31 है. So it is false. 15 by 2 is equal to 7 1 by 2. 7 2 the 14. 15 by 2. It is also true. 35 by 8 is equal to 5 3 by 8. 5 8 is 40. 40 plus 3 43 है. So ये भी false है. Okay, children, have you all followed this 4? Now, fourth bit is very easy, children. Fourth bit is very easy. Shade the What are they asking you to shade? How many parts they are asking you to shade? Here there are 5 parts. How many they are asking you to shade? Shade 2 parts. So one part you color, one part you color. 2 parts you have to color. ऊपर कौन से नंबर है उतने पार्ट्स कलर करना है. Okay? What is the next one? 5 by 9. So what are they asking you to shade? How many parts we have to shade here? Out of 9 parts, you have to shade 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to color 5 parts. Okay? Now more do you only do. Yes, here they gave circles, they made it into 8 parts. 8 parts and they are asking you to shade 3 parts. You are going to color 3 parts in this circle. Okay? The fourth one is there. I'll say the fourth one. Fourth one. Yes. They are asking you to shade out of 2 parts. They are asking you to shade 1 part. Okay? Here this 1 part you are going to color. Here how many parts? 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay children? For today I have given you 4 bits. You are going to complete these 4 bits in your classwork. If you have color pencils, shade the parts with the color pencils. Okay children?